Okay, we are live.
Okay, so we are gonna load our what today? The robot, right?
We are doing preparing the simulation. So basically, what we did yesterday was we just loaded or imported the URDF file, which was this file. Oh, also, I wanted to ask you, where is our ISAC, this folder that we are working in?
It's in downloads. Like where are you working on with? Like if you do ls, so ls downloads, yeah. So it's in downloads as well, and it might be in the root as well. So like you can pick one location as
This one, right? CD ISAC sim works well. But this, I can't find this in this part, in root.
so click on
I
mm,
can see this.
yeah. So if you no, like this is in the download. So if you go down like in the index
Mm-hmm.
and click on
Mm.
slash. Okay, now go in home on the top, home. Yeah, home. Then
Uh,
instructs. Yeah, click on it, and then in this you will find it. ISAC.
this one.
Yeah.
Mm.
So either like
Okay.
it depends upon you where which one do you want to go. Oh, it's over there. You know, it's over there. You can see.
What?
Yeah, like the hierarchy. Like make sure that you remember this hierarchy, or you can bookmark this. You know, there's an option to bookmark it. I guess. Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah.
Cool. And also, I figured out how to put that Carter robot inside World.
Oh, oh how?
Uh, Let me show you. Yesterday, I was going very deep in it. So,
Hmm.
mm, where was the Carter? Fuck. Wait. Where did I put the Carter? Damn, I forgot where the Carter. Oh, yeah, documents. Okay. And then if I go into conversion,
Got it.
Carter, and then basically the convert what it did was it converted the URDF to
Yeah.
USDA,
Hmm.
and then if I drag this USDA under world, then it's gonna place it over here,
Nice.
and we can see it.
Makes sense.
So this is how we can do that. But also, I don't know why we don't get the default view of this fucking, like this. The lighting that they are getting is very different from what we get for some
Hmm.
reason. I don't know what lighting are they using. Gray Studio, no. Colored lights, default. And then they were trying to tell us that in left wheel there is a target type, but there is no target type over here. There is only target position, target velocity, and all that. I don't know where they have this target type. So I used Claude, and it said that this is like very different version. So it does not have, like, you cannot see all those things
Hmm.
over there. And then yes, we what we need to do over here is, let me see, create ISAC robots environments and flat grid. So this is something that we need to do, and I don't know why they already have this physics scene inside this.
I guess That is a default environment that you get.
So we need to do create environment flat grid. So this is the flat grid that we get, and then we move Carter up, and then we turn off the other environment. I don't know, the other environment was not even okay. They are using stage lights. We are using default. So stage light is still pretty different from what they have. I
Maybe
don't know,
because of the Isaac version.
probably. Light environment. Flat grid, sphere light. Okay, whatever. And then what we need to do is play. So this is something that it didn't show,
Mhm.
and that's what I was getting confused on. Like when I play this, it's not gonna act right,
Mhm.
and for that to act, we need to include a physics. Okay, sorry, add physics scene, but we need to add physics rigid body with collider preset. And now if I play this,
There's an error.
I don't know why that error is.
These simulations. Okay.
Bro, I don't know why. Why? Fucking why, bro? Bro, I don't think this is gonna work, bro.
Like what part is not gonna? So apart from that
Document
lighting,
process.
like what? Apart from the lighting, are we able to do other things?
Bro, like the fucking documentation is very different from what we need to do. Like, we are spending too much time in just debugging. So I don't think this is a good approach.
Okay, okay.
I
So,
don't know what to do
so
about that, but
wait, let me take a look at NVIDIA
because it's like all the things are very opposite in this version than
uh,
compared to that version.
Office hours.
And I'm not able to find where the fuck the gravity shit is over here because it's yesterday what I was able to do. Yeah, I don't know why this fucking error is coming now. Create physics scene, and then play.
the great new content. So I guess I would say, wait, I'm trying to go through the playlist if I'm able to find something. You're getting started. Oh, getting started with action graphs. Print text and what else? Okay. So, uh,
Can't even copy paste over here, bro.
you can take a screenshot, right?
But
Oh,
what, bro?
oh,
I
okay,
want to
okay.
run the code in the script editor.
Oh, in the script editor. Oh, we can use Cloud Code at this point. Like we have that MCP tool, right? We can use that. Copy this and go to Cloud Code and ask it over there.
I don't know why that shit starts happening.
It's because your terminal is not able to take the input of mouse, like the scroll. Yeah, I would say that we can paste the documentation from the NVIDIA and just give it to Cloud Code, and it will help us to differentiate the changes. Right?
Actually, what we can do is I can give it the documentation over here and then ask it to give us the steps for this version.
Yeah, or we can ask it to revise the documentation based on the new i6 version, and it's gonna take care of that. I would say.
Relog in. Do you want me to sign in?
Yeah, we find it. Flash login. Yeah, I don't know, for some reason Cloud Code is like Anthropic is kicking everyone out of their own sessions, and they would have to log in again and again. They have shortened the authentication window. Copy this, copy it. Don't. Okay,
I opened it.
yeah, that's also fine.
Oh, why do I need to sign in again?
Yeah, rude. Anthropic is kind of acting weird. I'm saying, right?
What? What is it? Control V over here or what?
Command V.
What?
Rude. I think yeah, copy it. Get the authentication code again.
Oh, what?
Oh yeah, your login successful, right? You are in. Press enter to connect.
Didn't do any.
Oh shit. The disk.
It says your login.
Oh, I think that's fine. Like, can to carry on. Yeah. We are getting the disk full error. Let me take a look as well.
For fuck's sake, dude. For fuck's sake.
Dude, I think the storage is failing, and because of which our session is not. Do slash logout first. Do slash logout.
That's what I was gonna do. It doesn't log you out, bro. That's the issue.
Oh, yeah. Try logging in again. It should. I don't know that. Look, one of the issues is the storage, I guess.
No, but I think this is redirecting to your Claude account.
No, 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 no. That's not a thing. Like it should redirect to anyone's cloud account. Like there's not a thing like that. Like if someone wants to change it, and it's also giving you like Opus Pi, and that's like an old thing. I do not have Pro account, right? Pro Max plan. Oh, it should.
Nope.
Dude, make sure the full code was copied. You are copying incomplete.
Bro, I'm using the button to copy the code. I'm not copying it
Try
myself.
again, dude. Try again once. Otherwise, I will take over. Then I will see what I can do.
Bro, it's just
Yeah,
logging you in.
yeah. Continue. And
No, let me. What is the command to uninstall Claude?
uh, I don't know. I don't recall it. But wait, let me do something. Let me try a couple of things. I'm gonna log. I'm gonna log in from over here because the reason why it's failing is of the storage. The disk is full for some reason, and I'm trying to.
Wait, I'm gonna uninstall it and reinstall it.
Wait. I'm trying to. I'm authenticating it from my side. So let me give me like 5 minutes.
Bro, we are wasting a lot of time doing this shit. But
What?
let me, in the meantime.
Yeah, I can set up Olama like if. That does not work, right? ऐसे तो बोला हुआ था उधर. Or maybe there's some issue with Claude itself. Let me check status. Dude, yeah. So I think status dot Claude. Let me just verify. They have. Not the output does it now. I wanna do something else. I know what we can do. List. Latest. Yeah, so we should have space now. CD instructs and cloud.
Also, I was not able to access Ubuntu like our system from Moonlight for because of
Like, Mm.
TCP handshake or something.
Oh, okay, okay. I'm just, I got the storage now back, so probably we shouldn't have issues trying to do this authentication. Why the fuck does it say-
Maybe in the meantime also put ICX.
Dude, fuck. Ugh,
What?
we do not have any storage. That's the issue. Download RMI. Is the single space. This was you or me?
You.
Let's-
I'm trying to build ISAXim.
in your local?
Yeah, on my laptop.
I see. Yeah, it's gonna take. Dude, it takes a while. But yeah.
Okay, so the documentation is prepared. Where is it? What are you doing?
I'm trying to see if I can extend the partition right away because that's the reason we are not able to do anything. We do not have any space left.
On what? In the system?
And yeah, in the root where Ubuntu is running, like for it, a lot of like packages and everything gets loaded over there. That's why. So,
Alright, my build has started. I'm stuck on this stupid shit.
mhm.
Why is it?
Okay. Dude, I would have to reboot the system and then update and do like a couple of formats. Otherwise, it's gonna like if I do it right now, it's gonna basically stop the ISXM. Like I would have to stop the ISXM and do it. That is the
Mm. Let it be. Don't do it right now.
yeah. Because we are like our other storage is out, and we are right now reading it from this ISXM is running on my other storage in the system.
Then I think we should do it on Brev only.
Okay, but it's gonna take again. How long is it gonna take?
Not today. I'm saying.
No, no, we can. No, no, it's not. It's a small problem. Like I'm gonna just format it, and then that's not gonna be an issue. Like I'm gonna extend the Ubuntu partition to like 250 gigs, and we won't have that issue again because I do not know. I didn't know that how well it will it go. So I kept it like 40 gigs, and apparently like loading all the i6 in packages and all those things, racked up the storage like crazy. That's why we are out of storage. Like even we are not able to write anything.
Hmm.
It's not like we have to run ISXM right away. It's just a small hiccup that I'm facing because I just saw that message that hey, we ran out of space completely. I didn't know that we would run out of like 40 gigs that easily. So yeah.
World physics. Bro, why are we not able to do this? Fuck! I'm not able to fucking just play the fucking thing and I don't know what. First of all, it should not go up. It should go down like normal gravity.
Okay, did you took a screenshot of the errors that we are getting?
Yeah, I did, and it's saying,
Uh-huh.
okay, let me delete this one as well and see what happens. I don't know what's going on. Like, why is it coming again and again? I'm deleting this shit. I don't. How the fuck is this physics scene coming again and again? Let me delete the flat grid ones. What? Okay. Why is this physics scene not getting deleted? How is this physics scene getting created on its own?
Mm.
What the fuck?
Maybe I can expose CD, ISACs, and workspace errors. Uh, How to start some remote.
Whenever I'm playing it, it's automatically creating a physics scene. I don't know why.
Hmm.
What? Hmm.
Like wait, I'm trying to figure out another way. Oh yes, but Python server is already running, right? Yes, it's already running. So can you connect to it locally? Yes, we can connect to it locally. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, yes, yes. I guess. Okay, help me check. Uh, okay, can you go to your cloud code
Hmm.
and like ask it, give the IP address 100 dot what is the IP address uh, of this? Yeah, copy this. Yeah, copy that and yeah, and just say that can you connect to the ISAC remote on port 888226? Can you connect to the ISAC remote
At port.
8226 and then give the IP? Yeah. Let me know if it is able to. Like, let's see if this thing works. Then I think we would be able to resolve that issue as well, because we won't need. Then we can probably ask Cloud Code to look at the issues. Let's see if it's listening.
But how would it
What?
log in? I don't think it would be able to log in.
We don't need a login. Yes, it's listening local word, so it needs a tunnel local. It's reopening it. Okay, testing remote channel.
Connected. Damn. Confirming it's your live Carter scene.
Uh, uh,
Come
uh,
on. Connected. Okay, nice.
now you can make it work, and for now time being, like it can look at everything. So you can basically ask what is the issue and everything.
This is what I was trying to tell you to do yesterday, bro.
Okay, did it.
I'm gonna be the best robotics engineer in the world
Oh my
by
god,
2027.
my god, it's connected to the machine, so let me check the actual clock first.
I'll be back. 1 second. Okay. Ah.
How is it doing?
Stop the timeline. Okay, create environment flood grid. Okay. Set approximation convex hull on the five colliders above. What five colliders? Set approximation convex hull on five colliders above. What is that?
Ground collider. You can provide a screenshot of your, I guess.
I don't need to. It is already connected to my scene.
No, but still sometimes it is not able to understand, or we might be not able to understand. So like, where is it present in that manner? I'm asking.
But what is the fucking convex hull?
Go to create environments flat grid.
I
Okay,
already did that. I'm on the third one.
like the third.
Approximation convex hull on the five colliders above. What five colliders? The only collider I can see over here is ground collider. And what it has
Does it have convex hull or something? Collider and
collider. Okay. Physics, collision enabled, simulation owner. What? Let me try and play this one more time. Again, bro. What the
okay.
fuck?
I'm gonna do it from over here since now I as well. So let me. What was the port? 8226.
Bro, don't connect at the same time when I'm connected. It's gonna kick me out.
No, I'm connecting to Python remote. So
I know I am also connected to Python remote.
yeah, I don't think so. It will kick you out. I think it can accept multiple connections. That's that's one thing that Python is good at. If they would have such kind of thing, let me see.
But if you make changes at the same time, it's gonna interfere with the
I'm gonna
conversation.
making changes and I'm gonna ask a couple of questions about like based on the screenshots that I'm looking at. What is the URL? 100 dot.
Oh god. Holy moly. What the fuck is going on?
Okay. So, did we resolve the issue or what's happening right
Wait,
now?
I got it. Approximation drop downs near the top alongside collision label.
Oh, that's
Okay. It's absolutely not going to that because that's okay, okay.
Oh, okay. You can do control click all 5 in the stage tree. It applies across multi selection.
What was the left wheel link? Side wheel. Chassis.
Yes.
Side. Rear pivot link pivot. Rear wheel link caster. Convex hull. Okay, done. Let's see. Okay, it's not giving the error now, but
It's working fine. Nice. But I think it won't change like if you hide it or bring it. But why is it like why is the gravity not being applied to it? Is it on the ground? I don't think it's on the ground.
approximation to convex hull. Okay.
I think that we remove the gravity out of it. What are we removing the duplicates?
The duplicate environment. It's saying that
Where is the duplicate environment?
environment is not necessary.
Oh,
Only the flat grid is necessary. Okay, it's fixed. Look at this.
Nice. So what did it do?
That's the thing, bro. I don't know what it did.
Two things. Okay. So disable the root joint by setting physics joint false versus randomness. So you can flip it back and
Bro, this is the thing. I'm not able to get any of these options when I'm doing the import.
wait, import. What do you mean?
It's saying,
Uh-huh.
bro, it's saying that on the import step, there is some things that you need to change. But for us, we never see those
Okay,
options.
so you know what we can ask? Okay, we are using ISXM6. Where are those import steps? Guide us, so we can try it again, right? Let's do that so that we can figure it out all at once. So ask him.
Uh,
Hey,
do you want to waste more time on this, or do you want to go?
so dude, it depends. Like I'm fine. That's why I was. It depends on you. I'm fine with this as well. I'm fine with that as well. Because eventually we had to use.
Okay, wait. Let me see what delivery roles civil rather than deleting it, so you can circle back if you root joint. What is the root joint? Oh, okay. It's saying it did something to the root joint.
And what it did, it basically set the physics joint enabled to false. So I think that's one of the property that it the joint has, I guess. I'll be back. I'm taking care. Bye. So what are the next steps on the asset?
This is not easy, bro. That I understand now why people are not doing this. This is
Dude,
very frustrating.
okay, I don't know, man. Like,
This is why Nvidia
if
is.
we would go with only using the remote extension, what happens then? Because
What?
like we're using the remote extension that we have right now that we're trying to use.
Hmm.
So it's more,
Like the
yeah, you have
extent.
to, yeah, you have to talk with Cloud Code and discuss what are the changes, and then like
Mm.
brainstorm it out. I think that's how we will be able to do it easily.
Bro, if I know, like bro, we can complete this whole tutorial in 1 hour if we are doing it like that.
Mhm. But the thing is, like you can
But
still ask Cloud Code at the same point, because in that hands-on lab, they also did
Mhm.
give you the same thing.
I know, but the thing is, over there, they were not trying to teach you; they were just trying to show you.
Dude, they were still trying to teach you as well that hey, this is how you're gonna do it. And
Hmm.
okay, and then what would be the reason they would have created that extension?
Bro, let me message Ashley actually.
Yeah, messenger. Because she is also using same kind of thing. Like she's using skills and all those things, and then asking AI to do stuff in SXM. Because like in one of the streams, she did.
I know, bro. In all the streams, she's just using that.
So like that's what I'm thinking. Why cannot like what would it hurt? Like why would it hurt for us to use to go with the same plan? But the only thing we can do is we can ask and take a look at the things that Cloud Code is changing, because we have a technical issue over here that the ISXM6 and ISXM 4.5 is like really different. Or what we can do is we can ask Cloud Code to basically recreate the whole uh, guide for ISXM6, and
I know.
with the help of that we can probably solve it in a much better manner, since Cloud Code already has access to the remote extension, right? So that would be another way if we still want to go with the current approach.
Mhm. Okay, click ground, control click ground collider. Where is ground?
In environment, go in environment. Yeah, it should be.
It's in ground plane. Where is ground? What the fuck are they doing, bro? Environment and ground.
We do
Environment.
not have a ground over here. Oh, looks. No, we do not have a ground over here, I guess. Is that the other environment? No.
What?
Let's give this a screenshot. Just take a screenshot of this. This take a screenshot
Bro,
of.
the thing is, it has given us a lot of steps, and now if I'm just specifically giving it that shit,
Mhm.
it's gonna like,
Okay, no,
oh my.
okay, okay. Hear me out. Take a screenshot of this.
Yeah, I'm doing that.
Yeah. All right. Now give it to it. Give it to that. Where is it? Cloud Code. Yeah. Wait, it says it deleted it. What deleted environment ground?
Oh, okay, okay.
What if it's
Makes sense.
deleted? Yeah.
Duplicate ground is okay. When you I click ground, control click. Okay, why create environment?
And this is what it did. It created flat grid, ground plane, and collision plane.
Verify only one non-Carter collider should remain. Select flat grid, ground plane, collision plane. Flat grid, ground plane, collision plane. Okay. Property physics collider section present. Property physics collider section present. Collision enabled. Okay. 8 2. I deliberately left deleting blah 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 so you can remove them. It just gets stuck. Disable root joint. This was the actual bug. Physics joint enabled is equal to on world Carter physics root joint. World Carter physics root joint and then physics
Joint.
joint enabled is disabled.
Yeah.
Uncheck joint enabled. Okay, it unchecked it over here. Okay, now I get it.
Yeah. So okay, let's check it again. What happens? Let's play with it. Is it gonna get stuck again? Yeah. There we go.
Yeah, yeah,
Mm,
it's not working again.
nice.
And if I uncheck this, yeah, it works. That was the bug.
Nice.
Isolating the bug. Damn.
Real time debugging.
By Cloud Code.
Yeah.
We are just a bunch of dumb fucks.
So this
That's
is how I think this is the way to go with it. I guess that
yeah, because I gave it a super detailed prompt over here.
uh
That surgically, read this prompt that I said.
just guide me surgically to what to do here after. My God, like a surgeon debugging the robot out. Fuck.
Uh, okay, why this froze your robot? Okay, now I understand. Why this froze your robot? Look at the joints on properties. Body 0 is world Carter, and that frame is plain X form with no rigid body API. In USD physics, a joint anchored to something that isn't rigid body is anchored to the bolt. Oh, so this was fixed joint welded chassis link to world space gravity applied. Nothing could move, zero drop over 180 frames. This is the fixed base link import setting checked is equal to importer emits root joint. Carter is a mobile root, so it must be unchecked. Press play, chassis should drop now. Okay, hold steady. That's good. Verify play. Final high. Okay, okay, okay. Add a symbol rather than details, so it's reversible to make it permanent. Delete. Re-importing the fixed base. Okay, the cleaner fix is re-importing the fixed base link unchecked. Fixed base link unchecked. Okay, if I do this file, import Carter URDF. How are they?
Okay, give the screenshot. Screenshot time again. Take the screenshot of this.
No, wait. Base link unchecked. Collision from visuals allow self collision. And what is that? Blah, blah, blah. Fix base link unchecked. Fix base link. Okay, inspect the joints. Chassis link, left wheel link. Stage, click left wheel, scroll to angular drive. Hmm. Left wheel and right wheel stage. Click left wheel. Scroll to angular drive. Mm-hmm. Now this is so confusing. There is angular drive angular, and then this is drive performance envelope physics angular.
Go up a bit. I think both represents different kind of.
Oh no shit, bro, I know that.
It's in drive, right? Yeah, angular drive, and then revolve joint, and then drive performance.
Revolute.
Oh, revolve.
Oh, stiffness is 0. Type is force. Target velocity is 0. Max force is 1e6. But how? Why is that? Why am I not able to edit? Oh, damping is 10,000. Stiffness is 0. And this is 0. Wait for right light. Right. 6. Damping is 10. Mhm. Okay. We are on part D, by the way, if you're wondering what I'm doing.
Mm-hmm. Click left wheel property angular drive.
Hmm. Yes, it's moving. Yes, sir. Okay, now we need to make it swivel. So we are doing left is 0, and now we need to play this. Yes, it's swiveling. You watching this or no?
Yeah, bro, I'm watching it. I'm also going for that. So what did we do? We changed the target velocity and increase the max force to put the down force over there. And okay, are we putting only force on only on left wheel, or are we doing on?
Yes. Yes.
That's why it's
The left wheel is 0 target velocity and right wheel is 100. So that's why
okay. Okay, makes sense. Angular momentum. Now, what if you want to make it go straight? So I think we will put
we'll put it in both.
this.
Let me see what happens. If why is it so?
Oh
Oh,
yes, too much.
it's too much for its weight, I
Yeah,
guess.
I think you can increase the max force. I would say, or maybe put 100. I think you should put 100 meter per second. Yeah, that would work.
What?
100%.
100 degrees. So this is complete. But this is a differential steering by hand equal speed, the straight unequal arc, faster follows passively, which is exactly why part C said don't drive it. If nothing moves, stamping is still 0, minus 0 there. The only two ways drive silently does nothing. Okay. Move the articulation route currently on World Carter geometry chassis link. It needs to be on top level Carter X form. Stage click chassis link. Property find the articulation route section. Okay. Click the red X at the right edge of the section header to remove the API. So stage chassis link. mm, Geometry chassis link. Then what was that? Articulation route. Your articulation route component. That's the remove component. Oh, okay. Remove component button. Yes. Remove the component. Right click Carter top level add physics articulation route. Right click Carter. Add physics articulation route. Add physics. But there is no articulation route, bruh.
Mm, mm, mm. Hmm. There should be an articulation tool for this.
Right click Carter top level add physics and articulation route. Carter property articulation and check self collision enabled. Okay, select Carter property articulation mode. There is no articulation mode, bro. Oh, is it? Create physics. Okay, so it is saying that its advice was wrong for the import part.
So definitive answer is, so go scroll down. So what? So like, what do we do now from over here? Oh, your hours back in this is correct. That UI path writing the log now.
Oh,
Oh, okay. So post import editing is the only route. Okay, so then we were definitely doing it correct.
yeah, bro. It's all the version mismatch bullshit that's happening.
Yeah, I know. That's why I told you, bro. Let's get on with the cloud code, and then we can see what was there or was not.
Yes, see, bro, both of these things were the fucking things that were holding us back.
No worries, bro. That's why we have Cloud Code, and that's why they have created these extensions. I think a lot of people might be facing the same thing. I guess.
Step 6 entirely. If the controller does error on the robot param, then the fallback for applying articulation root API in 6.0.1 is the property panel's add button top of the properties window rather than the right click menu. That's generic schema is different list from the add physics. Tell me if you hit that and I'll pin the exact route before you go hunting. One honest caveat also try instancing articulation at runtime to prove resolution at to end and both paths failed identically in runtime object that's physics view warmer. God damn it.
God damn it, son.
Oh bruh, I wanna take a break.
Yeah, bro. These incomplete tutorials.
Let me wrap up for few pull-ups. I have sparring tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna get my ass whooped again tomorrow morning.
Hmm.
Oh. Oh, I got some snacks today, bro.
What do you got?
I've got some snacks today.
Max, what do you got over there?
Let me see if. Oh shit! Launch fails. Your GPU GTX 1650 Ti isn't RTX capable, and the driver is too old for the CUDA runtime ISAC needs. So the renderer can't be initialized. Nothing is currently running or pending. Let me know if you want to pursue a cloud GPU option or wrap up here.
Brother, wrap up.
Wrap up and clean.
Because there's nothing you can do for. But you know this thing is running hot, hot. Oh yeah, this fucking thing is running hot over here.
Bro, just imagine if we had funding. Just imagine if we had funding and this is all we had to do all day, every day.
I'm not imagining, bro. I do not
Visualize.
imagine. But unfortunately, we don't. So
12 gigabytes are freed up again because Isaacs didn't operate at all. Oh, shit. Hmm.
wait.
Bro, your camera is too funny.
What?
Whenever you're doing these stretching exercises, it zooms in on you.
I know, I know.
Like it moves and zooms in.
Yeah, I was trying to focus on my face.
Or you should get a pull-up bar so
Yes,
that you can.
bro. First, let me gain some strength. I want to get a pull-up bar. Once I gain my strength back, I'm gonna try everything.
Hmm. I think you should run more.
Yes, brother. Run for life. Hmm.
Hmm. Come back. So there is only. Hmm. Hmm. Tomorrow, unfortunately, I won't be able to work in the morning.
In the morning? Okay.
I'm gonna go sparring, and then I'm gonna come back, have lunch, and then I'm going to watch a movie,
Oh, Spider-Man. And what?
and then dinner after that. I'll be back by probably 9.
Nice.
So yeah, same time tomorrow.
Hmm.
You wanna? Okay, let's complete this. Oh, we already completed this. What the fuck?
Yeah. But you know what I would say? Like, if you want me to do it, I can do it. If you want to do it, you can do it. Like, we should, like,
Convert all the tutorials.
yeah, we should convert all the tutorials and create a
Hmm.
new repo. Like we should use our browser automation tools, scrape through the documentation and everything, and then convert all the tutorials into IS, data compatible with ISM 4.6, and then we can publish them out, like on Medium or GitHub or somewhere else.
Hmm. Okay, we can do that.
Yeah. Do you want me to do it, or do you want to take care of that? How do you want?
We can do it together
Okay.
on stream.
Good idea. That would be perfect as well. Cause that,
Tomorrow we can do like a longer stream.
yeah, because that would really help us to like resolve that the issue that we are facing, and maybe other people's that might be facing the same. And then we will just do a LinkedIn post and shout out to one of our
Hmm. Nobody fucking replied in the Discord channel as well.
dude. I think maybe they are how would I say,
Bro, I.
celebrating their weekend.
Hmm?
They are celebrating their weekend. They are celebrating their weekend.
Hmm. ISAC lab plus reinforcement learning. Hmm. What do you wanna, Rush? Do you think it's a good idea to start the project right away without completing all this?
Yeah, bro, we can do that as well. Like we can learn on the fly. Like it depends, dude. Like if you want, if you're like, okay, yeah,
The
let's
main goal
because the thing is,
is
we're
to
also gonna
create a
learn.
project where we can show that okay, we are able to create the policy model and we are able to implement some sort of reinforcement learning over there.
So I think the the people are out over there right now.
Hmm.
This is my understanding. They want to see the end product first, right?
Yeah,
Right.
that is what I'm saying.
And in that process, they would want to see how are we able to achieve that. So
Yeah.
no one is gonna say you that why did you use AI, but they would
Hmm.
definitely ask you some fundamental concepts like how does that work and all those things, right? So we can maybe guide AI that hey, we are starting to create our project and whatever we are doing, just let us know and how are we doing. So in that manner, we will basically work on the project as well. But the only
Hmm.
issue right now is right now, okay, how much VRAM are we using? Okay, you know what? Because I want to test how big. Let's say if you render an Amazon warehouse. Right now we are at 1.4 gigs. Right.
Hmm.
If you render an Amazon warehouse, this is gonna go like crazy. Because we are already at processor memory 6 gigs and 7.1 gig is available. Right. So
Is it 6 gigs out of 7.1 or?
the total is 16 gigs. That is your
Hmm.
RAM. and then your virtual memory that renders this thing is like
Mm,
5 or 6 gigs again, right? So some
mm,
of them is used by your GUI, some of it is used by your memory and other things.
mm,
So we only have right now 3 gigs available, right?
mhm.
And we only have a single object over there. Now, if you load multiple assets file, for example, let's say you're trying to render the whole Amazon warehouse
I
kind
think
of.
we did try to do it yesterday and it crashed.
So yeah, that is the only issue with that. Then like at that point, you are purely relied on Brevins.
Brave.
So like we can do that as well. Like it's not a problem.
Mm, I
Okay,
see.
you know what? What we can do? We can do it for a week. We will do it for a week, and they will test it out. If we think that okay, we are able to get all the concepts and everything, then we
Mhm,
keep doing that. Otherwise, then we can maybe like break off in the middle of the week as well. Like okay, I think this is not making any sense because we do have
yeah.
to use AI and everything for
Mhm,
making all those things as well. So that's my thing is because eventually in the ISXM they will also have some kind of I would say code extension or
mhm,
something. Maybe they are building right now. That's why they have that Python extension, right, for that ISXM.
mhm.
So I'm gonna say that because I think this ISXM is really old. Like I think I would say 3 or 4 years back, and by the point, LLMs were not that great.
Mhm.
Now since LLMs are getting better and better, like specifically for SWE task and all those things, this is not a critical task. But the only thing would be is like we might face some kind of bottlenecks. Hey, why are we not able to do it? And that's what they do. They did had like long prompts and everything. That okay,
Mm,
what we're trying to achieve. Now, when we're trying to say something, then we have to say it in a manner like let's say let's convert this X form into something automated.
mhm.
Let's
Oh, by the way, I need to show you this. Mm, 1 second. I enabled a new setting. Okay, so what were we doing? So I am trying to click this new option on the top of our GUI. It's basically the add and then add physics scene from create, but I don't see any articulation option over there as well.
is this your local voice model, text to speech?
See, it's better than Whisperflow.
No, it's not better than Whisperflow. Uh,
Sort of.
you missed it. Like Whisperflow is good, but I don't know. Is this Siri dictation? Apple dictation?
It's
I
very
guess.
good for MacBooks.
Hmm.
Are
Book.
you saying something? Oh shit, I cannot hear you if this is on. Wait.
Hello, hello, hello. Are you able to
Yeah,
hear me?
yeah. Now I'm able to hear you.
Hmm.
What are you saying?
I was saying that is this like Siri dictation or what?
It's MacBook dictation. And
Hmm.
you can turn this on in settings with your, and then if you see that F5 key on your laptop,
Oh,
you
yeah. I
can,
think I think I might try it as well. Cause
because it is good. I don't think it's, I think it's as good as that Whisper Flow thing.
hmm. Yeah. Anyways, I don't use Whisperflow that much. Like I think my free trial is already over for the same. So
Mm,
I guess they would provide you like 2,000 words for free, and that's more than enough for
mm,
me. Like usually I would type more now. I used to do it when I'm working on my bed. When I'm working through while sitting on my bed because I'm too lazy to type
mm,
those things. At that point, I will use it. But apart from it, when I'm sitting on my system, I won't. And lately, I've been using Codex. So Codex works like charm, and voice dictations and all those things.
mm.
I don't know, man. Like Codex is really good. Like I thought it was shit, but it's good.
Yeah, bro. ChatGPT was one of the first company or the like
But it
first
was
model.
not good for like, I don't know, like I'm not doing any critical or backend task till now. I'm yet to do those kind of things. Right now I know what I'm trying to do, and I'm trying to give chat gpt and codex small tasks regarding front end ui bugs fixes and all those things, right? So for now it's running really good, and apart from it I'm also preparing for that usd certification and asking it for like crazy ass questions, so it's giving
Hmm.
good questions as well. But I do have to like go back to cloud code once in a while because of sandbox restrictions that I do not that codex doesn't have.
Hmm.
So
I see. Okay, so this is the project that I was thinking of doing.
mhm.
Hmm. Okay, I've asked it to generate a project documentation so that we can get started on this project.
Mhm.
I think we should do this side by side as well. Like we should give like half an hour in this and then half an hour in that project.
Like I would say we can ask AI to guide us through as well. Like we can give, hey, we are trying to work on our project. but we would also want to learn what through the way NVIDIA has its own guide, like in that manner. What do you think? Do you understand what I'm saying?
It's a long shot. Let me see how the documentation turns out. Mm.
Oh, AI has achieved singularity.
What?
Yeah,
Where are you seeing this?
AI singularity. I think it's. I read it on in shorts, but I think Sam Altman did say that. Wait, because OpenAI, yeah, declared that humanity has entered the AI singularity, citing rapid technological acceleration and compounding self-improvement. However, the claim is widely debated. Oh
Oh,
damn!
did you know what happened with Cold Card?
With
Cold Card. They wiped off $89 million worth of Bitcoin from the market.
oh damn!
Cold Card. Okay, bro, this is the project. Force aware peg insertion with reinforcement learning, a portfolio project using NVIDIA ISAC Sim, ISAC Lab, Francom, contact force observation, domain randomization, and PPO. Project title Force aware peg insertion, robust contact rich manipulation with PPO. Online train and evaluate a Franca robot policy that inserts a peg into what the fuck is a peg? Teen peg.
I don't know. Peg is something else, I guess.
Peg
Oh,
for
peg. Oh, peg. Oh, no, 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 no. Wait, wait. Peg is
30
something.
ml.
No, 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 no. It's like it's like a cube or something, I guess. Because or you can assume peg as an Ethernet cable, and then socket is the LAN socket that you have. So, and this is what Jonathan was also talking about in SIGGRAPH. Like in one of the presentation, they were showcasing that how they are using
Mhm.
real-time physics to simulate a robot plugging in Ethernet
Mhm.
cables into a socket,
Yeah.
because it's a really delicate task, and you have to be precise while putting those things in.
Peg insertion is a compact but meaningful contact rich manipulation. Okay, align the peg with the socket. Yes, I think you're right. Correct lateral and angular errors. Make the controlled physical contact. Avoid jamming or applying excessive force. Complete the insertion despite uncertainty. The project is small enough to complete as a first serious robot learning portfolio project while still exposing you to robot observation, action spaces, operational control, contact force sensing, reward shaping, reinforcement learning with PPO parallel simulation, curriculum learning, dynamic and post randomization, policy evaluation, and failure analysis. So the end deliverable would be complete repository should contain a custom ISAC lab task derived from official peg insertion environment. ISAC lab, we have not ran ISAC lab, right?
Is Isaac Lab different than Isaac Sim? Or is it the same?
I think ISAC core simulation, ISAC provides a robot learning framework.
Oh yeah, Isaac Lab is different. Holy shit.
How does that look? But this is ISAC sim.
Dude, Isaac Sim is optional, it says over here. Wait, what the hell? Dude, it says Isaac Sim is optional. Huh.
No, no, no. I don't think that's correct.
Dude, I'm looking at Isaac Sim's official GitHub repo. Sorry, Isaac Labs official GitHub repo.
No, but you need to build a bro. You need to build the environment in ISAC sim, and you have to train that in ISAC lab.
Dude, it's supposed to physics engine.
You cannot run ISAC lab without ISAC sim
The diagram says
because ISAC lab relies on the ISAC sim's underlying engine and managed physics environments.
no, but I'm saying like for in the architecture it says over here. I don't know. Where does Isaac Lab fit an Isaac ecosystem? Is Isaac Lab simulator now? DGX Spark. Wow.
And I hope it's you and me. Mm. Trade policy checkpoint and evaluation script that exports episode level metrics. An evaluation plots or 2 minute project video, 4 to 6 page technical report, clear readme with setup, training evaluation result. Build a policy that controls the Franca arm to insert grasped peg into a socket. The first version should use simulation rather than camera pixels. The policy receives Franca arm to insert a pre-grasped peg into a socket. The first version should use simulation state rather than camera pixels. The policy receives the robot state. Policy receives the robot state. Okay. Relative peg socket geometry. Previous actions and optionally force measurements. Non goals for version 1 do not begin with. Okay. Use ISAC Labs official contact rich manipulation environment as the baseline, recommended baseline task. ISAC forge peg insert direct V0. The forge peg insertion environment is particularly useful because it already extends the basic factory task with end fact Effector, force sensing and excessive force penalty, dynamic randomization, success prediction output. Your job is not merely to run the exam report for contribution, reproduce the baseline. Mm. Environment reset, pose, fiction, mass, ISAC, ISAC lab, physics, contact. Mm. Recommended operating environment. Look at this.
I'm not looking at the recommended operating environment. I already know. We need a fucking DGX Spark. Dude, that's why they built that computer.
Okay, we need ISAC lab as well. Compatible release.
That's why you need Brave Cloud as well. Dude.
Installation and baseline verification. So, do you want to get started today or what?
No, bro, tomorrow. This thing is for tomorrow. Because tomorrow, and we would need a more detailed one, and this thing won't be able to run
No,
on.
this is pretty detailed, bro.
No, 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 no. I'm saying that this thing won't be able to run on this system that we have right now. Like the way it's,
Uh,
we need like Brev Cloud.
mm, all right. So, what do you want to do now?
Let's end the stream then.
We didn't prepare the simulation over here, right? Preparing the simulation. How the fuck is this preparing the simulation? Utilities. Robot premise. Carter. Ovis. We left once. This is the last step. Let me just complete this. 0.24, 0.62.
Adding the differential controller.
Left turn name, right turn name, left wheel, right wheel. Left jointed minus. Give you WASD control. Python script for graph generation. Okay. Max linear speed. Oh, bro, did it crash? No.
No, no, it's not. It will crash at. Ooh.
Nope. It's not working yet. I think left wheel angular velocity. Hmm. Max linear speed. Mm-hmm. I'm not able to do. Where the fuck is open graph?
It will be in graphs, right?
That's what I'm clicking on. Or do I need to stop this first? We were getting an option over here to open the graph yesterday, but we are not
No,
getting
it
it.
won't come over here. You have to expand it. Expand it.
Oh yeah, right. I forgot.
Yeah. Now the graph will come. Hopefully.
Open
Yeah.
graph.
There we go. Huh.
Hmm. Okay, maximum linear speed and maximum what? Point two, point two. Linear speed and angular speed. Maximum wheel speed. Angular speed. Why is
Well,
it doing?
that's going in a
No,
circle.
it's not doing. I'm not doing that.
Oh,
Red. Why is it moving towards left though? Hmm. Why is it not working?
maybe wait. Well, now I was gonna say that I think the issue will be silly thing.
Slowly but surely, we are making progress. I'm not gonna deny that, but
Progress.
it is frustrating.
We are not doing it full time, right? Like it's gonna take a while. You do not have like.
Okay, graphs, differential controller, select array names, property panel. Okay, find input 0, type left wheel, input. It is left wheel, what is it mean?
X1 set the graph differential controller, select array names, property panel, find input 0, type left wheel, check input 1. Will read is right wheel or matters the differential controller.
Clear your manual target velocity. Oh, so we need to set it back to 0. What the fuck? This is not how they did it in the other one. Oh man, wow. Wow.
Why are we setting it back the target velocity to 0?
That is what it's saying, that you need to turn it back to 0. Why the controller writes velocity targets every frame so it will win. Oh, okay, let's check now. It should do something glitchy. No, it's not doing anything. What? Mm, I can't do anything.
We have to hold W, it says.
Wait, it focuses the stage, types into the UI. Oh, oh,
The focus is on the stage, right? Or not? I think we have to select stage first.
let me change it to 0.2 once. Let's see if it's fucking up this. But I don't think it should be any different.
Ooh, it's making crazy sound. Like,
Oh, look at this. When I'm doing W, it is saying that there is a velocity command. But why is it not translating?
interesting. Velocity command negative.
the fuck? Huh? What? Why the fuck?
It says go back. It says something related with the array graphs.
It's saying this is not getting committed.
It is
Input zeros left. How is that possible?
instantiable. Like
This is saying it's still empty. How the fuck? Why?
send the screenshot. Send the screenshot. Send a screenshot. I think we might be looking into a different window or something.
Does not even have visual scripting. What the fuck?
What is it saying?
Graph and then what? Action graph. Oh, why is it not working?
What's Cloud Code saying when we pasted the screenshot of?
It's saying the same thing again and again, bro.
Okay. Okay, ask her, can you fix it? Can you fix what's missing? Let's ask her. Let's see if he's able to do that.
1 second, let me do. Collisions? Radius 124. Oh,
All right, bro. What's happening?
1 second.
Did you ask Cloud Code to fix it?
Yeah,
Okay, so it's fixing it.
I think this was the main thing that we need to understand about him.
Hmm. Let's take a look at the Cloud Core. What it's doing. Isn't crawling. Watch I told you. Oh, see, the problem isn't crawling. The inspect call killed the script. Let me drop it and run a decisive test. Decisive. Okay, for and about a
I think it fixed it, but
while a direct command 200 mode, that's a unit mismatch between the controller output and what the drive consumes. But it's fixing through coding, right?
yeah, well, that's how it can fix it. It cannot go in the UI and do it on its own. Oh,
How long is it taking it to run that shell command?
fuck. Oh, I think
I think it broke it.
it's doing something, but I don't know. Oh, it played it, but it cannot move it. Oh, it can move it? No, it cannot.
Can you move it? Try sending some commands.
I don't wanna move it like in middle of its test, like the script it's running, because
Hmm.
it's gonna take an arbitrary value if I put
Dude,
in
its
something
own
and then it
articulation
goes.
failed as well. Over there it says. My articulation.
Insanity. That you said. I think Claude Code has failed over here.
The Lord have even failed. The simulation not running is running on Newton. Oh, oh, oh! It says that it's not running on physics. It's running on Newton. My God.
Newton is physics, the physics library, bro.
No, 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 no. There are two libraries. There's one Newton physics X, PHYSX, and Newton is another physics library. There are two
Looking
libraries.
for as we hear the whole understand you. See.
Dude, I think we can put it in Discord, I guess. Hey guys,
I'm pretty sure it must be like a stupid fix that we're not able to understand.
never know, bro.
You belong with me. You belong with me. Yes!
I have not fixed it. I should stop rather than keep changing things. Holy shit.
Restart Isaac. So.
It's some physics error, I guess. It's not a shitty issue, it's a physics error. The Lord has spoken itself. Physics error. Which physics?
Bro, you can, if I'm pressing W, it is saying, look, this desired linear velocity is 48. Mm, can I reload it?
No, dude, you have to completely like you can do it through terminal, not from over here.
Oh, what terminal? I don't have this terminal access.
That instructs terminal like you have to do it
Oh,
from the system. All right,
oh,
bro.
can it do it?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a leave. I'm already sleepy now. 1:45 already.
All
Let me know
right.
how it goes.
Now I'm gonna end the stream.
Yeah. Adios, boys. Adios. And it.
Yes.